Can't wait to read my new book.
The Very Crabby Crab.
Whoa, that crab looks very crabby.
I know, right?
Well, you won't have to wait much longer. In this hammock, you'll have all the peace and quiet you need to read. Tools up, pups! Ready!
Okay, Mr. Crably, try it out.
Well, what do you think?
I think it's perfect. So quiet.
Beach day! Beach day! Beach day!
At least it was.
Yay!
Ooh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa.